TV3's Earth Day series is brought to you by Minnesota Pollution Control Agency, Becker County Environmental Services, Becker Mahnomen Corn and Soybean Growers and their checkoff, American Agri-Women.
Hi, I'm Carolyn Zern. I'm a farmer from Becker County, and my husband and I and my two sons are part of the Becker Mahnomen Corn and Soybean Growers. As farmers, we do our best to protect our environment. We're celebrating Earth Day this month, and to do that, we have to keep in mind exactly how we prepare our fields, how we protect our air and our rivers, our habitat, and how we put in our crops and take off our crops. You know, farmers do more than just plant and harvest. Farmers actually, with the crops they grow, help protect the environment. We're soybean growers. The biodiesel, it's the only advanced biofuel that there is. Biodiesel actually cleans up the air. For instance, in New York, 80% of their environment has been cleaned up by using biodiesel in their heat and in their automobiles, and it is a mandate, 20%. Here in Minnesota, we are allowed to use 20% biodiesel. It really cleans up the environment. But when you think of 80% cleaning it up, it helps a lot of asthma and that type of thing that we get from having our air so polluted. Corn we grow. We have ethanol. So ethanol is used in our gasoline. Ethanol is what we can buy at the gas station, put in our car, use it, and it helps with the pollution. Those emissions that we're emitting are very, very strong unless we have one of our biofuels in them. So farmers do more than just grow productively. Farmers actually help our air and our earth and our water. So when we plant our crops in the spring, we use very nozzles that are low drift nozzles so that the crop protectants don't spread out and don't go in the water, don't go in our habitat. And we also, in the fall when we do our tillage, we chisel plow. We also use no-till, which helps a lot because that way we're not eroding our ground. We have a lot of different elements of how we farm, and those certain elements is what protects our earth. We're proud of that. Agriculture is the best environmental service that you can have. For years we've been saying our governor is the largest farmer we know. Why is that? Look at all of our ditches. Look at everything that you drive by every day. Those ditches now are going to be planted in to pollinator food, to help our bees, to help our butterflies, whatever it is. Pollinators will be able to survive. And farmers do their job there too. They actually plant crops to help the pollinators. We set aside acreage and put pollinator food in that acreage to help our environment, to help our honeybees, to help all of our pollinators. So if you'd like more information, you can go to our websites. Minnesota has a corn website, minnesotacorn.org, and soybean has a website. So that would be the Soybean Growers in Minnesota. So you can go there, find out more information about saving our environment and about how we work as farmers to help that environment. Thank you.